Hey all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today we'll be making avocado cream sauce. This sauce can be used as a salad dressing or served with tacos, fajitas, Tex-Mex egg rolls, dips, or even sandwich bread. First, let's prepare the avocado. When we purchase avocados from the store, they are always hard, so we let it sit on the counter for a few days until it is slightly softened. I used to let it sit until it is soft when I touch or squeeze it and ended up with something too soft and brown. The perfect avocados are just slightly soft and will give in a little bit when squeezed. This one is so soft but not bad. Oftentimes they are too brown. Then I just peel the skin off. This is the lime that I like. I will have a short video on how to choose your lime. Typically I like it shiny, and when I squeeze it, you can feel the flesh inside. That means the lime is juicy. These are the ingredients for the avocado cream sauce. You want to boil the jalapeno for about 12 minutes before using it. You can omit if you don't like spicy. I found some jalapeno are really spicy and some are not, so you can try it first before using it. Now we chop the cilantro leaves. It doesn't have to be finely chopped, and we want 3 tablespoons. Then we chop the garlic. We need about ½ teaspoon. Then we put all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. If you like this video, you can help grow this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. As always, thank you for your support. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.